What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day, because we are at Keith's Pit Stop with a special guest. It's not Keith. Keith's been on the channel a lot. What? We're just saying hi, buddy. Just saying hi. All right.
But anyhow, hey, thanks for doing this with me. You know, I'm really, you know, honestly,
I gotta introduce you still.
Oh, go, there you go, there you go, there you go. All right, all right.
So
well,
we have our special guest here, Neighbor Rich. You probably have seen him on Street Speed 717's videos multiple times, and he also has his channel as well.
I
so
do.
Go check him out as well. But he has brought his, what year is your C7?
19.
19 C7 Z06, completely stock except for the Corsa.
Right.
Cap back, and that's it. They're axle back, right?
Yep, that's it. Yeah, it's just the Corsa Extreme.
Yep, Corsa Extreme, and we got it on Keith's dyno, and we're basically going to double check horsepower, because you were kind of curious about horsepower.
I was curious about horsepower, and some of the people that follow my channel, I said, you know, I probably have about 700 horsepower now, you know, crank.
Yeah.
And they're like, yeah, that's exactly what I got. I got like, yeah, maybe.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see here, hopefully, what a stock C7 Z06 puts down. Now, I will tell you, and nobody knows this, they're gonna know this in this video now.
Okay, yeah.
I just had a customer with a 19 C7 Z06, same year as yours, and a vert, it was a convertible.
Yeah.
That we just got done modding.
Okay.
He dynoed it out in Utah, where he's from.
Yeah.
And in Utah, it put down like 515 wheel, completely stock.
Okay.
And like 490 torque, completely stock.
Okay.
But it's also an 8-speed automatic, where yours is a stick, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the difference. We brought it here after I modded. I did a meth kit, upper 231 pulley, thermal reduction plates, headers, and next piping. He already had a cold air intake on it. And that is it.
Yeah.
And it put down 650 wheel, 700 torque on Keith's dyno.
Okay.
Like 2 weeks ago.
All right, so you're not giving me a lot of hope here that you think that...
No, I'm just giving you some ideas.
It's going to be... Well, yeah. I don't know, man. Andy, I appreciate it, but, you know, I got quite a bit of horsepower right now. I'm like
listen,
pretty happy
there's always
with it.
room for more.
Yes, there is.
Okay, there's always room for more, buddy.
There is. I
so
agree with you.
It's going to be interesting to see what this 19, I mean, basically a stock 19, what it puts down. Even though it's a 7-speed manual, it's going to be interesting to see what it puts down compared to what that other 19 did with the mods. So it'll give me a nice little baseline on Keith's dyno, and it was about the same heat. We had like 80-degree weather.
Yeah, that's what we got.
You know what I mean? So it wasn't really any different, to be honest. So
well, this is going to be really, really interesting.
Yeah.
So let's see what it actually puts down. And we'll see.
We'll probably do.
We'll answer this.
Yeah, we'll probably do 2 pulls.
Okay.
Back to back, because the car is hot. How long have you been here so far?
Just a couple of minutes. I got here a couple of minutes.
So we'll probably do like 2 pulls back to back, just to kind of see what the initial pull and the second pull is. Probably give it like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Let it cool down.
Okay.
You know, and then do a final pull, maybe a final 1 or 2 pulls afterwards to get the temperature down, the IATs down, because your IATs are probably stupid hot right now from driving down.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. So
all
right. Well, good. Well, we'll see. We'll see where it goes.
There you go. All right, guys. Keith is setting everything up on the dyno right now. The car is up there. Neighbor Rich is going to sit in the trunk so it gets some traction.
I did come prepared.
Oh my God. I don't think you're going to need that, buddy.
I knew this was going to be loud, so I thought, you know what?
I think you're going to be very surprised, because the crazy part is, like, when you're the customer and you're standing back here, it's a lot louder than actually being in the car itself. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like, you'll be very surprised. Like, usually I stand back by the rock.
You stand
I stand. This is my, like, if I'm not in the,
this is gonna be loud.
If I'm not in the car tuning, this is my spot.
This is your spot.
This is my safety spot. Yeah.
Andy's rock.
Yeah. It makes me look taller too. So. All right, we're getting close to showtime. Neighbor Rich is about to get some real world numbers here.
Real world numbers, that's what we were looking for. So
no BS numbers.
Here we go.
I seen a little bit of spark knock. You see that pump right there? Right there.
I do pop every once in a while, a little bit.
Before the cans start rolling or rolled off the
Yeah.
No,
Do you see a
do
little,
that,
the little puff of black smoke come out?
No, I wasn't.
I thought I seen it.
Well, it's
All right, here we go. First, very first pull, a hot pull. It's a hot pull. It's not a cold pull.
Okay.
Neighbor Rich is super duper excited.
I am super excited about this. So we'll see what come up with.
750 horse.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Look.
I'm gonna let Neighbor Rich shout out the numbers.
What is it? It's 6. So, horsepower.
590, 622.
590. Is that SAE or STD?
SAE.
That's SAE.
Yes.
Get out of here, dude.
590 and maximum torque is 622.
Dude, that's almost 700 crank horsepower right there.
That is almost 7.
That is almost 700 crank.
We'd be around
I
7.
kid you not.
We will see where it.
I gotta go up there and check this graph out. I want to see what air fuel is. That's what I'm kind of curious about.
Oh, okay.
So
that might have gotten screwed up.
You're here for the horsepower. I'm here for the air fuel.
Yeah, okay.
Not bad. Really. I mean, it's...
Look at that, guys. And that is SAE too.
This car pulls.
Oh, it definitely pulls 622 foot-pounds of torque. Oh my God, yeah. For a 7-speed manual too.
Yeah.
Air fuel looks really, really good.
Oh, good. That's good.
So air fuel's very safe.
Yeah.
Horsepower looks good. Torque looks good. That's not bad, buddy. That's not bad. For basically a stock, non-modified C7, the convertible.
Say that.
Oh, does it?
Yes, it does.
Oh, it does. I didn't know that. So cold air and Corsa.
Yeah, cold air. And
But no tuning.
no tuning.
But we can fix that. We can fix that today.
I hear you, but I don't know that I really want to even go there.
I wonder if his blower is filled up too. Usually from the factory, these blowers aren't filled up all the way with water.
Oh, okay.
They're usually a little bit low.
Well, that's interesting. I didn't even know that. You know, I mean, you're telling me what a novice I am. I mean, I didn't even really know that they had water in them.
Yeah,
so.
they got water inside underneath the hats. Yep.
Okay.
Yep,
all
yep,
right.
yep.
So what were you saying about the horsepower and the
So
the
590,
torque?
590 horse SAE, 622 torque SAE, which is great numbers for basically a completely stock car. So if you add 15% to that, drivetrain loss, you're probably really close to 700 crank,
Yeah.
give or take. Guys, this blower is lit. Be careful. Don't fall off the dyno first.
No, I don't want to fall off the dyno.
But put your hand on the top
No,
of
I'm
that.
not
Dude,
putting my
it's
hand on
hot.
that.
Dude, it's a smoky. That, I guarantee you that is at least 160, 170 degrees.
Yeah.
It is hot.
Yeah.
So that horsepower, if that was cooled down, whew,
I really would be at 700.
you would be around, yeah, you'd be close. You'd be above 600 horse probably if this was cooled down.
Yeah.
But after after you driving down here and everything, that definitely plays a part. So what we can do is we got an initial run, so we can kind of just let it cool down, give it like 20 minutes, let it chill for a little bit. Unless you want to go buy some ice. we can go down, we can drive down the Sheets and get some ice.
I mean, I don't mind doing that.
Ice is cheap, man, couple bucks. You know what I mean? Slap that on there, let it cool down, get a real number.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's up to you though. You don't have to. We came to Sheets to get some ice. We're just getting a large bag of ice. We're gonna put it on the blower to try to cool the blower down. That way we get more realistic numbers because of how hot that blower is. That blower is like stupid hot right now. So we're gonna fill it up with water. We're gonna top it off with some water, and then we're gonna put some ice on top of it and make sure it's working good. Look at him go. That's a big ice. Oh my God, that's a lot of ice, dude.
Get her done, my friend. Get her done.
We're back for the hot dyno day, the hot air dyno day with the ice. Basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put that ice on the blower just to keep it cooled down. You might say it's cheating, but it don't matter. Oh, we gotta go to the steps. But we're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna try to get that 700 crank horsepower number. And I think it's very possible considering the IATs on that blower are stupid hot right now. And realistically, if this was on the road, the blower wouldn't be that hot. It'd probably be 10, 15 degrees cooler possibly, you know, if not less or if not more. So come here, I'll show you what we gotta do. This is pretty easy stuff. That's it.
That's it, huh?
That's it.
Well, I hope you're not going to charge me extra labor for that.
That's, hey,
my
listen,
gosh,
my shop rate is expensive, all right? It's expensive, and it doesn't matter if I do 5 minutes of work or 45 minutes of work. It's still an hour charge. Still an hour charge, man. All right, we'll let it cool down a little bit. We got the ice on the blower. It helped. We circulated the water a little bit. He's ready for that 700 crank number.
I am. I'm hoping. We'll see.
We need 608. 608 is what we need.
All right, well, we cooled down the crank.
Difference. Oh, he put his thumb down. Never mind. Hold on, let's go see real quick. Still hot? Go look at that, buddy. I'm gonna let my good buddy. I'm gonna let my good buddy.
All right,
right
Andy,
here. Go look at the number. I'm not even gonna tell you what the numbers are, buddy. I'm not even gonna tell you. Not even gonna tell him, guys. I'm gonna let him scream it out.
So I'm worried about this.
I'm gonna let him scream them numbers out.
614. Oh my God!
Look at the torque. Look at the torque.
Torque. 637. Almost 638. Woo!
You can hear it. You can literally hear it.
Thank you, guys.
Did you hear it in the car?
That is awesome.
You could hear it in the car, dude. You could hear the sound like it was just stronger.
Yeah, it was a little leaner that time.
How much leaner? Not much.
Not much. You did it. That was it.
I didn't do nothing. I just put ice on the blower. Look at that. Come to me for engine modifications.
Yeah, no,
I can make you another 24 horsepower.
So I think we can officially say as a crank,
It's
it's got over 700 horsepower.
Now everyone just got proved wrong. All your doubters got proved wrong.
Oh yeah, that's right. All those that were doubters, you know what? You just got proved wrong.
And all it took was
This is it.
15 minutes and a bag of ice.
Anything else you want to do?
Yeah.
I think if you're good, I'm good.
I'm good.
He's happy. He made his numbers.
I'm happy. This is unbelievable. I mean, honestly, for all those of you that were doubters, there you go. It's almost 615 horsepower.
He's super
And when
happy.
you multiply that out,
Super
over
happy.
700 at the crank. I'm telling you right now, this Z06 is one awesome beast.
Okay, it's donut time. Time for the donuts.
Oh, no.
615 horsepower donuts.
Well, there it is. It's official. 707 horsepower crank.
Yep.
Boom.
You got your number.
Yeah, I sure did. Thank you, Keith.
Yep.
Oh, you got a dyno
You are
sheet
awesome.
coming too.
Let me get your dyno sheet.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna have a dyno sheet and everything now you can put in your video,
I'm
man.
going to do that without question.
That is awesome. Oh yeah. So there's the dyno sheet. Actually, here, let's set it down on the car so we can see it. It's up against your chest. There's a sun going through it.
Oh.
There's the dyno sheet right there. As you can see, it ran a little lean in the beginning, and then it richened up right when PA came in, about 5,000 RPM. But that is SAE, man. 614.95, 637.76, which is freaking crazy.
What's well, and SAE is the lower one, the higher one?
SAE is the more standard way of dynoing a vehicle.
Okay.
So when you
So
see,
this is standard.
yeah, no, SAE, not standard. Standard's a STD.
Oh.
Yeah, standard's STD. So standard is, it'll be a little bit higher. So standard would probably be like 620 in standard. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. My way, man. You got to stop by.
Oh yeah.
Bring
yeah,
that Trans Am. There you go.
We were just talking about the Trans Am. It's not user friendly, but it's definitely a fun car to drive. That's for sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
And
cool.
God bless your son for good serving.
I appreciate it.
I mean, honestly, it's awesome. All the best. And God bless America.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
God bless America.
Amen.
Well, you enjoy.
I will.
You enjoy all that horsepower now, buddy. Whew, there you go, guys. Holy smokes. 700 plus crank horsepower at the wheels on Neighbor Rich's beautiful 2019 7-speed manual C7 Z06, guys, after letting it cool down with some ice on the blower. Ice makes a big difference. That's why these ice boxes that you can buy for these C7s through multiple different companies, that's why these things are so important to have on these C7 Z06s, guys. You have to keep those blowers cold. You have to keep them cold. That water going through there, if it's hot, 140, 150 degrees, it's just bad news bears. There you have it, guys. Great numbers on the dyno. Only 2 pulls done and that's it. Just 2, no more than that. Basically, we did a hot run, let it not even cool down for 15 minutes or so, put ice on it just to help it cool down a little bit longer for another, say, 10 minutes. Even, you know, Neighbor Rich was like, oh, it's only been like 4 or 5 minutes. And then we did another pull, and I guarantee you those IATs were not much cooler, but just cool enough to make a huge difference in making power with that C7 Z06. And obviously Neighbor Rich was super duper happy with his outcome of numbers, as you guys can see. So other than that, guys, that's pretty much the video. Hope you enjoyed seeing what a basically stock C7 Z06 puts down under really hot conditions, as you can see right there in the video. So now you guys learned something. Check that out. Maybe one day I'll have the opportunity of going ahead and dyno tuning Neighbor Rich's C7 Z06 possibly, and maybe even modding it more. Who knows? Air fuel obviously looked very good on the dyno, so I wasn't concerned about that, but I did not have my scanner hooked up, so I don't know if there was any spark knock at all. It doesn't look like from the, you know, the tailpipe area, it doesn't look like there was any spark knock, so I'm not really concerned about it. Plus we would have seen it on the dyno if there was, which we did not see it on the dyno, so that's always a plus too. So good air fuel on the dyno on a stock GM tune. Possibly, very possible, no spark knock whatsoever, because we didn't really see that on the dyno pulls or on the exhaust pipe coming out. Any puffs of smoke coming out of the tailpipe. That's one way of telling if you're having actual spark knock or not. I don't know if you guys knew that, but yeah. Other than that, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, and deuces, guys.